Hi, Randy Crabtree, host of the Unique CPA podcast and partner with Tri-Merit Specialty Tax Professionals. Back with you again today to discuss another topic I think you'll find interesting. What I want to go over today is tax updates on two different real estate incentives. The 179D, which is the energy efficient commercial building deduction, and 45L, which is a credit for developers of residential property. These two incentives have both gone through some changes in the last couple of years. First, let's talk about 179D. 179D was never a permanent part of the tax code. It was renewed every year or two. And then finally, at the end of 2020, when the Consolidated Appropriation Act, or the CAA, when the CAA came out, in there, the 179D incentive became permanent. So that's great. That's great for planning purposes. Now, if any of your clients can use this, we know it exists. We know it's a permanent part of the tax code. And just as a side note, it is basically accelerated depreciation for anybody that owns a commercial building or any developers, so architects, engineers, general contractors, developers of government buildings. Those are the two users of this. So 179D, now permanent part of the tax code. Another thing I want to tell you on this is there are proposals sitting out there right now. They were in the Build Back Better bill. We hope they're going to get attached to something else this year, but these proposals will enhance the 179D. It's currently $1.80 a square foot deduction, which is a nice benefit for taxpayers. Taking a 39-year depreciable property and depreciate a big chunk of it all in 1 year, $1.80 a square foot. The proposals that were in the Build Back Better bill would extremely enhance this deduction. I think it was up as high as $5 a square foot. We don't know where that'll land. We think something will happen this year. We will stay on top of it and see what's going on. The other incentive I want to talk about is the 45L. Again, real estate. This one's a credit, and it's a credit for developers of residential property. It's up to $2,000 per unit credit. The problem with the 45L right now is in the Consolidated Appropriation Act, or the CAA, it was extended, but it was extended till the end of 21. So in 2022 right now, we do not have 45L. This credit is not available currently. This was also in the Build Back Better bill. In there, it was going to extend it and it was going to enhance it. It is currently a $2,000 per unit credit, and this credit was significantly going to go up in the Build Back Better bill. These bills for 179D and 45L are still floating around DC. These hopefully will get attached to some form of legislation this year, and we will see the extension of the 45L and hopefully the enhancement of both these benefits. I want to thank you for tuning in today, and please like and subscribe for more information.